in October 2022, to celebrate differently, I gave away 40 chess sets to 40 migrant domestic workers. So we already had that Pinoy Impact Storytelling group. I gave away 40 chesses. They didn't know that it's my birthday. And there's no other reason. It's just that because it's my birthday, it's my special day. I love chess. I will give away chess sets. 6 months later, the chess boards were untouched. Nothing happened. So I realized nothing will happen until someone decides to make a move. I got my phone, I recorded a video. Fellow Filipinos, I will be teaching chess for 10 Sundays, free, with t-shirt, with chess sets, with snacks. We don't have any sponsors. All came from my pocket. First Sunday, more than 20 women showed up. So those are the batch one. They're smiling, eager to learn. And we started at level 0. We laughed at each other when they don't know how to move the pieces. And each time someone applied the dama, the checker, when someone hits the king.
Ako yun na.
So we laugh at each other. It's full of joy. And then every meeting, this is how we usually do it at every meeting before. I hope you're also doing it. We start with prayer. Did you notice that? There's energizer, then opening speech by the president. And we also share stories about chess. We used to do that during batch 1. And we relate our stories to chess. So for example, someone will pick that she's a pawn, she thinks that she's small, but then she knows that she has ability. Someone will think that, oh, I am a knight because I hop from the Philippines to Hong Kong. So every time we always share stories. Because here in our group, we are not learning just the game of chess. We are learning the game of life. So I hope we are still doing that. Okay? And then graduation of batch 1. That's so like now, there's a tournament or also trophies, so same as this. And we also elected our founding officers. Where are they? Founding officers. Please stand up. Yes. Thank you. So we elected our founding officers. The ladies are now ready to carry the mission going forward. So we added, thank you. When my batch 2 came, I didn't have to lead every detail. Volunteers, officers, they stepped up to be the chairwomen. They're leading the meetings, they're planning all the events. And today, wow, batch 6 already. What I realized is I am surrounded by women who before were my students, but now they are running the show. The pawns have become queens. The students have become leaders. In 2024, I joined the Chess Olympiad in Budapest, Hungary for the 3rd time. And I earned my first chess title, WCM, Woman Candidate Master. And my coach told me something that I will never forget. Pawn is the smallest piece on the board, but it can become a queen when it begins to move. And now I realize that yes, we still have challenges. There are still many migrant domestic workers on the bridges in HSBC, in Admiralty. But what I realized is our group, you will see them sitting on cardboard. But instead of playing cards, they are playing chess. Empowered, determined, lifting each other up. And I realized my dream did come true. It didn't come with walls and windows because we don't need bricks to build a community. We only need people who are willing to take one small, brave move. like in chess, when a pawn moves forward, one square, one Sunday, one baby step at a time, that's where transformation begins. A pawn can become a queen when it begins to move.